Hey, fabulous fourth graders. Today we're going to talk about our WOL overview or review from third grade, and that actually means well-ordered language, which is our parts of speech. So you have either printed this in your English Language Arts journal, or you're going to go with me and you're going to add certain things. So if you don't have a printer, you still need to write WOL and parts of speech across your paper, and you're going to need to do and add some certain things, and I'll show you what it looks like on the next page. But first, let's just talk about what each one looks like, right? So I've got my highlighter. So part of speech, what does it do? Well, a noun, we know, is a person, place, or thing. A pronoun replaces a noun, right? It's more specific: I, you, he, she, or some. Verbs is the action or state of being. So to be, have, crawl, sing, dance, love, fudge, trudge. I'm sorry, friends, it's not fudge, it's trudge. So adjective describes a noun. We've got some examples: 3, blue, good, spectacular. I love spectacular. That is a good describing word. We're going to think of adjectives as kind of like the sprinkles on top of your ice cream. It gives more flavor to your writing. Adverbs describe a verb or an adjective: quickly, silently, happily, merrily, very, really. We're going to remember that most adverbs end in ly. So I'm going to come over here and put -ly in parentheses. Now, that doesn't mean that all adverbs end in ly. It's a good way to remember that. Then we've got articles. Articles are a type of adjective used to describe a noun. So a or an are our articles. We've got prepositions. It links a noun to another word: to, at, after, on, but. And then these two down here, conjunctions and interjections. We are not going to talk about these quite yet, so just going to leave those kind of there to help us remember, but not going to do anything with them. So here we've got all our example words of our parts of speech. We've got our example sentences, and here dog, I, house, Clearwater, Florida, those are all nouns. That's why they're bolded. I've got have and dance. That's a verb. They're showing action or a state of being. We're going to remember again that the adjective describes a noun. An adverb is going to answer the questions: how something happened, where it happened, when it happened. So over here by adverb as well, you're going to draw a little line, and we're going to say how, when, where, those describe. Okay. Now, later in the week, we're going to take this space over here, and we're going to make the little marks that we did in WOL when we were analyzing a sentence above words, but we're not ready to do that yet, so that's why I pasted it just slightly to the rest.